Hi, good morning, guys. This is gonna be my second day jogging. But before I do jogging, I will check my weight. This is my scale. Then I'm not sure why it's not doing here. I need to check. It's been so long I did not use this one. This is the on and off here. Where is that? What is LO? Low back maybe? I think it's low back. I need to check the battery here. I'm not sure how to get this one. There we go. Ouch. Okay, okay. Okay. There. And this is her battery. Need to change battery. Okay, I changed now the battery. And I need to check here. Oh yeah, better. Kilogram. I need pound. Yes. Ay, how come it's off? There, pounds.
Better hop on quick. Take your shoes off.
136.6 pounds. How much is that? Here. Philip weighing.
Well, let's see.
Yeah, that's okay.
We set it?
Yeah. 157.
0.4 pounds?
Yeah.
Well, you didn't need a calculator.
No, we need to put on the kilogram here. Yeah, this is the kilogram, guys. Full 62. So heavy. 62.1 kilograms. Oh my God. 62. May gulay. No wonder. Look. You're 71. I am almost heavy with you. I need.
And what was it on the other one? 174 pounds?
I didn't forget.
And yours was, put it back on pounds. That way I can tell.
136 mine. I 137.
Yeah, you're about 30 pounds.
This way.
Heavy. You should be, at your height, you should be right around 100 pounds.
Good morning, everybody. This is my day 2 jogging. And it is really a good news, guys. Last night we have rain, so I have chance no to water my plants. I am happy for that. At least I saved some water for today. So you know, I wanna do jogging again, guys. Then I have water here. You should see my belly, guys. You should see my belly. Big belly. Imagine I weigh 62.1. So that is not good. That is not good. I should weigh 30 plus, 38 like that. That's my goal. Now I need to start stretching here. That's one of my viewers. Stretching first before I do jogging. So thank you guys for your concern with me. Thank you so much for your comments, the advice. And that advice, that is good for me. I will take your advice, and I know that is good to apply on my to lose my weight. So I'll be back later, guys. My body here. Different parts, chicken. I'll be back, guys. Hi, guys. Look at my belly. So big. I need to do stretching here. My knee yesterday here. Now it's so pain, but anyhow, this is I think this is the first pain, but then next pain maybe not. See my belly, very big. I'll do stretching first. Okay. Okay. So pain really here. Ouch. 62.1 kilo, guys. So very bad. 62. Okay. I wear shoes. Okay. Oh, here's my body coming. Ayaw lang ka. Mama, do exercise. You behave. Awa ba? Oh, sorry. Naunigo ka. Wala lagi. Grabe, guys. Oh. Awa. Ay, dito ko. So you can see me. Oh, hawa lagi ba?
Dalaw ka na utong.
Okay. Ha?
Dalaw ka itong anak-anak ng atyo.
Ayaw, hindi klaro. Adi. Adi, bata eh. Abot. Adi. Bukit tabang Niki. Awa ka. Wa ba kami din size ko? to ako zumba doon nga ko antet.
Tutugtog mo.
Ayaw okay, copyright ko. Ha?
Ano?
62 ko na kung kwano. Tilo.
Timbang?
Ah.
Waday. Tiit lang ko.
Hawa, lagi! Kuya. Minod akong kwanda. To, jogging to. Hawa ba? Kaya urong dua-dua.